read document CV. For example, this CV open with Paint. No, I like to open as application. Okay, what to do? It is link in description and view doc viewer and get application. Yes, open. Yes, what's this? Option here. Yes, it's free. Option here. It was get in English. I don't know why the application is in French. I don't know. My Windows is English. Okay, I push pause. Okay, the application is installation and it installed. Wait, now I double click. Doc view. Yes, always. No. Okay, always. Yes. What's this? Close. What's this? Close. Oh, now it's good. Remove all ads. Hey, by there. Oh my God, not now. Yes, now, yes, it's good, huh? It's good. That's it.